Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our online coaching classes. You all know that summer holiday works are given to you. So take this video as a guidance to how to complete the work. So here will be a complete guidance one by one according to the work which are already given to you. This particular video is dedicated to my class 10 kids. First when you will open the file, you will see that there are lot of subjects, like all the subjects will be there, like all the particular subjects which you are having. So when it comes to English, you will see grade 10 English project for summer holiday. First you will see prepare a project report on one of the following topics: life history and the achievement of William Shakespeare, and adventures in science, advancement in science and technology. So among these two you have to do only one. So what is a project report? Well, project report means in your online classes I have already made you write on some on Shakespeare's contribution, right? But I didn't ask you to make a project report. But here so here in the project report, what you will do is that you will take an A4 size paper. You can take 2 to 3 A4 size paper and make booklet. Yeah, you already know what is a booklet, right? I don't have to even tell you, because in 9th standard already we have done what is a booklet. So make a booklet and point wise you have to write down. So first it will be on William Shakespeare's his life history, and then second page will be his contribution and the work, and then third page there will be the conclusion and why you have chosen William Shakespeare. If you choose William Shakespeare as your subject, and if you do not, then you will get another topic, that is advancement in science and technology. So it's not an essay, remember, it's a project report. Project report means you have to make it as a project. So there will be a front page. You all know what is a front page. Front page will be a nice kind of decoration, right? Like you can write the name of the project, your class, and then submit it to my name, Anvesha ma'am. Second page will be the index. Index means in which page which topic you have given, page number and the topic name, simple. And then the project, and then the conclusion part. That's it. This is the project report. Second question will be read the following stories and write the summary. You'll be happy to know that it's A Letter to God and Kurk. Both the summaries you have to write, because you know both the stories I have already taught you. Understood? And you know how to make a summary. You just have to read the whole story and have to sum it up. You have to write on it. But one thing, you should not copy it from internet. I'm telling you right now. Because if you do, I'm not gonna accept that work. And you know that if you do that, ma'am will come to know. Next, well, summary will be 150 words. The direction is already there, don't worry. Next is diary entry. Diary entry also, so diary entry is kind of an excellent idea to to awake the creative mind in your self. So diary entry is there. Diary entry, I think there will be 5 diary entries, and the 5 diary entries will be 5 memorable days. So in the summer holiday you might have 5 days which are gonna be memorable, and on that particular thing, on that particular 5 days you have to write this diary entry. That is also 150 words. So 12 set of writing all total. Okay, so first comes the project report, second comes 2 summary, third comes 5 diary writings. Yes, a lot of writings you people have to do. Next, question number 4. Write at least 4 articles on the following topics. What are the following topics? You all know that crimes, increasing crimes in India, save planet Earth, which is very easy topic. Articles you have to write. You know how to write article, right? First the title, then by whom by the name, your name obviously, by Priyansh Jan or Abhay Chaudhary, like that you can write. The advantages and disadvantages of social networking sites, and brain drain. Brain drain is what? Well, I'll not tell you that. You just type it in Google and you'll get it. You'll get to know. Next is the value of English language in our day-to-day life. You must attend this one, okay? You must attend this. Take this subject to write your article. Next comes the Integrated grammar. Well, in integrated grammar you all know that there will be the fill in the blanks with determiners, and then there will be error correction, there will be missing words. So these are all total work. So it's, since you people already know that all things are there in your syllabus, so you have to work for it. So that's all for today, and all the best for completing your summer holiday. Bye bye. Thank you.